before we get to your question, just a moment, we want to talk really quickly about weather-related injuries. Michael, do you want to expand on that?
Yeah, I mean, since y'all are have the early warning radar and y'all are very excited about your new radar system, I thought we would talk a little bit about the law and weather. You know, the main thing that we see typically are motor vehicle wrecks are obviously increased when there's inclement weather. People need to understand that just because the speed limit says you can go this fast doesn't mean that it's reasonable to do that under all conditions. So when you're driving, you're going to be held to a standard of reasonableness. So you could even be, you know, complying with the law as it's written, but still be responsible for your actions if you hurt somebody else if you're not acting reasonably given the weather, either the sun, the rain, the snow, things like that. The other things that we've had are cases involving, you know, lightning strikes on the job. I had a case that was in Alabama that allowed for compensation for that. Now they've since come off of that or changed it, but that's something that we see also. And the other thing are weather-related injuries at businesses. Make sure that as you're working through a parking lot that you make sure that there's not a pothole in that puddle and that you try to avoid that and be as safe as you can.